Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are learning electrostatic potential and capacitance. Today's topic is capacitor and capacitance. Okay? The name suggests that it is about capacity of storage of charges. Okay? So it is called capacitor and capacitance. How to define? We have two conductors, conductor 1, conductor 2, having equal and opposite charges, means this has plus q charge, this has minus q charge. They are separated by insulator. We will tell it as dielectric. Okay, it is non-conducting or say poor conductor. Okay, actually 100% non-conducting material is not possible, so we say it poor conductor or say insulator. We will put here. Okay, and this system is called capacitor. Volumes of these two conductors may be of any value, random value. Shape also we can take of any value, but the charges must be of equal value and opposite sign. Okay, so this is plus q, this is minus q. So that means net charge on capacitor is 0. Okay, but in practice, when we say capacitor has q charge, that means one plate has plus q, this is called one plate, this is called another plate. Okay, and other has minus q. This charging can be done by different ways. Okay, using friction or even with using battery, we can charge capacitor. Okay. Now, we know that if we keep on storing charge on a conductor, the electric field surrounding it will increase because E equals to kq by r square. Similarly, so E is proportional to capital Q. Similarly, we know that V equals to kq by r. So, potential difference, that is, suppose potential of this absolute potential is suppose V1, and absolute potential of this is suppose V2, then V1 minus V2 is called potential difference capital V. So we know that V equals to kq by r, so V is also proportional to Q, or say Q is also proportional to V. That means Q by V is a constant, and that constant is called capacitance. Okay, we can define as the ratio of charge on any of the conductor and potential difference between the two conductors is called capacitance. Okay. Now, dimensional formula. We know that Q equals to ampere into time, and voltage we have remembered as power upon current. So M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. So finally it will be M raised to minus 1 L raised to minus 2 T raised to 4 A square. SI unit is coulomb per volt. Coulomb per volt. Known as farad. Okay. But it is very big unit. Okay, we will prove in an example problem. Okay, so the practical units are microfarad, nanofarad. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6, nano means 10 raised to minus 9, pico means 10 raised to minus 12. We can also say pico as micro. Okay, this is the symbol of capacitor. Okay, and if its value can be changed, then it is called variable capacitance. In that case, this arrow is drawn on the symbol. Okay. Now, there will be some questions in your mind that how much charge can we store? Okay, we cannot store unlimited charge. What will happen that if we keep on storing charge and increasing value of the stored charge, the surrounding electric field will become stronger. So it will ionize the surrounding air. Okay, so the new charge that we have deposited on the conductor will be again neutralized due to ionization of the air, and due to that again the potential difference will be weaker. Okay, so we can say some charge is leaked. Okay, from one conductor to another. We can say like that. Okay, that leakage of charge is called breakdown. That is called breakdown. Okay. Now we know that if suppose the conductor is of this shape, okay, conductors are of suppose this shape, okay, very sharp edge. So here we know that sigma, that is surface charge density, that is charge upon area. Area is very small, so sigma will be very large. In that case, we know that E equals to sigma upon epsilon naught. So electric field here will be of very high value. In that case, electrons can escape. Okay, that is called dielectric breakdown, or say corona discharge. Okay, what is dielectric? The insulator we put between two conductors can be said as dielectric. It allows effect of electric force of charge on one conductor to charge on another conductor, but it does not allow charge to pass through. That is called dielectric. In other words, we can say poor conductor or say insulator. Okay, 100% non-conductors are not possible, so they are called poor conductors. In other words, they are called insulators. Okay, so here if the plates have very sharp edges, then surface charge density will be of very high value. In that case, electric field will be very strong and electrons can escape. Okay, this is called corona discharge or say dielectric breakdown. Okay, now the maximum value of electric field for which leakage of charge does not take place, that maximum value of electric field is called dielectric strength. Dielectric strength of that material. Okay, for air it is 3 into 10 raised to 6 volt per meter, or say 3 into 10 raised to 4 volt per centimeter. Okay, so these are the terms that you have to understand. Capacitor means of random volume, random shape, two equal and opposite charged conductors placed nearer to each other but separated by insulator. Okay, that system is called capacitor. The ratio of Q by V is called capacitance, where Q is value of charge on any of the conductor. See, if we do not take two conductors, if we take only one conductor, charged conductor, in that case the other is considered to be at infinity. Okay, so whatever, but Q by V is called capacitance. Okay, if we keep on increasing stored charge, electric field will be stronger, so it will ionize the air, so the newly deposited charge will be cancelled. That is called leakage of charge. Okay, if the edges of the plates, these can be called as plates, are very sharp, and in that case sigma, that is surface charge density, will have a very high value, so electric field will be very stronger. In that case, electrons can escape. This type of leakage is called dielectric breakdown or say corona discharge. And the maximum value of electric field for which leakage of charge does not take place is called dielectric strength. For air, it is 3 to 10 raised to 6 volt per meter approximately. Okay, bye. Take screenshot.